Milo woke up excited, ready for a bright new day. But something felt strange. He peeked outside and gasped. The whole world had lost its colors. The grass was gray. The sky was gray. Even the birds were gray. Milo ran outside. "Hello? Where did all the colors go?" he called. Suddenly, a tiny rainbow spark fluttered past his nose. Milo blinked. The spark wiggled in the air, almost as if it wanted him to follow. So he did. It zipped toward the park. And Milo followed as fast as his little legs could run. At the edge of the park, he found a tiny gray flower drooping sadly. Milo knelt down and whispered, "It's okay. You're still beautiful." And right at that moment, color bloomed back into the flower. A bright pink glow burst from its petals, lighting up Milo's smile. Next, a little gray bluebird flopped onto his shoulder, confused and frightened. Milo hummed a soft tune, gently stroking its feathers. Slowly, the bird shimmered back into bright blue, chirping happily as it zoomed away. Milo continued following the rainbow spark until he reached the playground. Everything was gray. Swings, slides, even the kids sitting silently. Milo hopped onto a swing and giggled. The sound echoed like a tiny bell. Soon, the other kids joined him, pushing off, smiling and laughing together. And with one big laugh, bam! The playground burst into color. Red slides, green grass, blue sky. Everything returned to its bright, joyful self. The rainbow spark circled around Milo proudly. It hovered for a moment, then exploded into a shower of tiny glowing colors. Milo had brought the world back to life, not with magic, but with kindness. Milo waved at his friends and watched as the world shimmered beautifully around him. He had learned something important that day. Kindness brings color to the world, one smile at a time.